In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove animation in Canva. If you've got a design that's moving a little more than you'd like, or you're exporting a static PDF or image and want everything to stay still, this quick process will help you turn off motion cleanly without changing your layout or style. Start by selecting the exact item that's animating. Click it once on your canvas so you see its bounding box and handles. This selection step matters because Canva's animation controls are context-aware. They show you options based on what you've highlighted. You can do this for text boxes, photos, shapes, stickers, or any other element that currently has motion. With the element selected, look to the top toolbar and click Animate. This opens Canva's animation panel, which shows the effect that's currently applied. You might see an entrance, an exit, or a continuous motion style highlighted. Think of this panel as the switchboard for anything that makes your element move. Now click Remove Animation. The moment you do, the element's motion effect is cleared. You'll notice the animation preview is gone for that item, and the animation label will switch back to none. Your element stays exactly where it is, with the same font, color, size, and position. Only the movement is turned off. This is a safe change. Nothing about your design's look is altered besides the animation state. If multiple elements in your design animate, repeat the same quick process for each one. Select the item, open Animate, and choose Remove Animation. When elements are grouped, Canva treats the group as a single unit, so removing animation while the group is selected turns it off for the whole group at once. If you notice any other pieces still moving, it simply means those elements have their own animation and need the same 3 clicks. A couple of helpful notes as you work. Removing animation from an element affects any entrance, exit, and motion attached to it, so you don't need to hunt through multiple places. This change won't impact timing, transitions between pages, or other styles like shadows and outlines. It's also fully reversible. You can always go back to the Animate panel later and pick a new effect if you change your mind. That's all there is to it. Click the element, open Animate, and hit Remove Animation. Use the same approach for any other animated items in your design, and you'll have a clean, static result ready to download or share.